Assalamu alaikum. How to learn vegetable names. So let's start our video. Corn. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Tomato. 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 Brinjal. Brinjal. It's also called eggplant. Chili. Chilli. Chili. Lemon. 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 Beetroot. Beetroot. It's rich source of iron. Cucumber. 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 Carrot. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Ladyfinger. L-A-D-Y. Lady. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Ladyfinger. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Wow, garlic. Garlic. Antioxidant. Ginger. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Mint. Wow. Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. Coriander. Coriander. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. Potato. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Children like most potato. Onion. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Broccoli. Broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. People eat raw radish. Radish. Turnip. What is this? Turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. It cooks so delicious. Turnip. Wow! For vegetable, this is chili. This is chili. This is tomato. Red color tomato. This is brinjal. It's also called eggplant. This is corn. This is corn. Vegetables, vegetables, very delicious. Vegetables, vegetables, very delicious vegetables. I am ladyfinger. I am ladyfinger. I am lemon and mushroom. I am lemon and mushroom. Lemon rich source of vitamin C. Hello, I am potato. Children likes mostly. I am potato. I am carrot. I am carrot. I have vitamin A. I am carrot. I am turnip. I am turnip. Look my picture. I am turnip. I am sweet potato. I am sweet potato. People likes most. I am sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet potato. I am broccoli, I am broccoli. I have iron, I am broccoli. I am cucumber, I am cucumber. I am good for skin. I am cucumber. Capsicum. We are capsicum. We are capsicum. Red, yellow, blue. Three capsicum. Wow, this is red chili. This is light green chili. This is yellow chili. We are chili. We are chili.
Hello, mushroom here. Hello, mushroom here. Brinjal, we are brinjals. We also call eggplant.
Hi, I am tomato. Red tomato. I am cabbage. I always smile. I have light green color. I am cabbage. I am corn. I smile. I am corn. I am sweet corn. I come again. I am eggplant. I also call brinjal. I have purple color. Brinjal. I am capsicum. I am capsicum. I am very sweet. I have light green color. Children like most in the macaroni. I am pumpkin. I have orange color. I am pumpkin. I am sweet pumpkin. I am carrot. I have vitamin A. I am carrot. I am antioxidant. I have orange color. Carrot. Please like and subscribe our channel. Kids, fun, Sahur, and please share it. We are vegetables. Very healthy vegetables. We are vegetables. You should eat vegetables. We make you healthy. Because we are vegetables.